Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a great day today. I'm so excited to show you my latest class to go that I'm offering this month. It features the Cake Soiree suite of products. That's kind of like a little tongue twister, right? So it is the one of the best suites in our 2018 occasions catalogs, and they actually, Stampin' Up! Did, made like a 4-page spread of this suite. Can you see the Cake Soiree suite of products? So here are a bunch of projects using all of the product in the suite. I'm going to move over here. That cake, oh my gosh, it looks so yummy. Like I wish we could just cut right into it. Can you see all the fabulous things? So 2 pages wasn't enough. That's why I mean, like, this is the most fabulous suite in the occasions catalog, because they actually did a 4-page spread that shows you more projects with the Cake Soiree suite of products. And then there is the awesome Cake Soiree stamp set that we'll be using in this class to go. The beautiful Cake Soiree designer series paper always looks even better in person than it does in the catalog, and then lots of other fun embellishments and extra goodies to go along with this suite. I think I did kind of skip over. I'm going to move back over here. The other thing that this class to go features is the sweet cake framelits. Can you guys see those? So a bunch of dies that will cut out the images in the Cake Soiree stamp set. So let me tell you about the details of this class to go this month. So as always, we are going to make 4 different projects and 2 of each of them. I have actually 5 different options for you this month. So let me tell you, the first one is option number 1, and that is going to include the Cake Soiree stamp set. So you can see it's a huge 18-piece stamp set in clear mount option. If you would like the wood mount option, email me and I can give you the pricing on that, because it would be a little bit more than the clear mount stamps. As well, it also includes the sweet cake framelits. So those are all the framelits that cut out all of the images in that stamp set. And then you get the tutorial, the PDF tutorial, to make all 4 cards. And then, like I said, 2 of each of them. That option number 1 is $82. So it's pricey, but like I said, you get the 18-piece stamp set and then all of the framelits. So it's actually a great value, because then you get to be able to make, right? You get to make a bunch of cards with all of the product. Now I send you all the parts and pieces to make all 8 of the cards. I'm going to show you at the end all 8 of them. I'm going to go through the options. So option number 2 is if you already have or you don't need the sweet cake framelits dies, but you do want to order the Cake Soiree stamp set. So you're going to get the stamp set, the Cake Soiree stamp set. You're going to get the PDF tutorial to make 4 cards, 8 of them, because you're going to make 2 of each of those cards. That option number 2 is $52. Then option number 3 is if you already own the stamp set and potentially the framelits. I will always do all of your die cutting no matter what option you order. But then if you have the framelits, kind of gives you a little more wiggle room when you do your stamping to kind of get things lined up. But you can do it either way. So, but like I said, option number 3 is if you don't want the stamp set or the framelits, you just want the PDF tutorial to make all 4 cards, 8 total cards, and then you also get a bolt of our Whisper White organza ribbon, which we use in a number of these cards as well. Let's see what's next. Option number 4 is if you just want the PDF tutorial. So you already have the stamp set, you already have all the parts and pieces to make everything, you already have the framelits, you just want the step-by-step tutorial on how to make all of these cards. That option is $15. And then the last option, option number 5, is for my downline, anyone in the Inkspired Stampers group. You can get the make and takes for all 8 cards for a significantly low price of just $12. I am going to include a link to give you more information about becoming a member of our Inkspired Stampers group and becoming a member of my downline, so you can take advantage of these awesome deals as well. So that link will be included included in the details on the YouTube video. So let me show you, I'm going to show you just real quick. So this is our first card. You've obviously seen this one. And this, I used this Cake Soiree Specialty Designer Series paper. I used it a ton. You can see all the die cutting that we're going to do, lots and lots of detail on here. So you will get everything that you need to make this card. You'll just need to do your own stamping. Okay, so you're going to make 2 of that card. Then, oh my gosh, this one is beautiful too. I put celebrate on there because I thought, okay, it'd be good for a birthday, but I think it would be a good wedding card too. So isn't that beautiful? And then you're going to make 2 of this card. This is another fun birthday card, right? So 2 of that card. And then one last one. Again, probably a birthday card. I didn't actually put a sentiment on here. So you could kind of use it for whatever you need it for. And then this is that really pretty white organza ribbon that comes in option number 3. You will get this ribbon in option number 1 and 2, but you actually get a bolt of the ribbon in option number 3. So if you are interested in this class to go, all of the details and links to purchase any of the to-go classes are in the details of the YouTube video. As well, let me think, registration closes on Friday, February 23, and then it takes about 10 to 12 days for me to order the stamp set and the framelits and the ribbon and everything, get it in, and then get everything packaged up to send out to you. So expected shipping date is March 7 for this to-go kit. So let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to get you set up to make these gorgeous cards. And let me tell you what, there are tons and tons of ideas out on Pinterest too. So once this kind of gets you started, you'll have lots of fun playing with your stamp set and your framelits if you decide to get that option. But any of the options are great, and I hope that you'll join me in this class to go. So thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. I hope you have an Inkspired day today. Bye-bye.